Hi guys, welcome back to Booksy Media. Today we are going to be learning everyday action verbs. So let's get started. The first one is run. You have to run. The second one is walk. You have to walk to school. The third one is jump. It is fun to jump. The fourth one is talk. You have to talk to communicate. The next one is sing. The next one is smell. The smell of the flower was wonderful. Eat. You have to eat food. Drink. You have to drink water to survive. Cry. I cry when I'm sad. Skip. It is fun to skip with your friends. Pull. You have to pull really hard. Push. You have to push really hard. Fetch. The dog has to fetch the ball. Give. Sometimes it is nice to give. Make. You have to make the drawing. Bake. In a bakery, the people bake. Try. You have to try to get a higher mark next time. Play. It is fun to play with your friends. Bring. You have to bring me the glass of water. Teach. My teacher teaches the class. Study. You have to study to become smarter. Buy. You have to buy the food yourself. Write. You have to write a poem. Taste. You have to taste the soup. Dance. You have to dance for the competition. Clean. One of my chores is clean my room. Stand. You stand every day. Sit. You sit on the couch. Chew. I chew on my gum. Drive. I drive my new car. Lift. I have to lift my bag up. Stitch. My parents had to stitch my dress. Sleep. I have to sleep when I'm tired. Blink. You blink every day. Thanks for watching. If you want more of these fun and amazing videos, make sure to subscribe.